just gonna leave this recording. No, maybe I won't.
I just saw I saw a power flash right in their neighbor's backyard, a huge one, when I first walked
Really?
down. Yeah, like right back behind those trees. Looks like it might have blown through, huh?
Maybe so, man. Listen to the sound of it. Can you hear?
Well, at first, there was so much shaking.
My gosh. Okay, back down.
Door? Are you gonna leave the door?
Yeah, just leave it open.
Why? Want to suck you down?
Okay, go ahead. You can close it.
Damn, there's trash cans getting blown down the street right now.
It's probably ours. Whoa. Mamma mia.
I wish I could know what's going on.
I know. Well, this is about as safe and as close as you can get.
Yeah, but it sucks that I just don't. It's like I want to get.
Let's go look out the other.
I don't think this is the to pull glass out of windows.
My gosh. Listen to the sound of that, and that's with all the windows closed. Oh, Lord. We're down in the basement, hoping for the best. Man, I hope Dylan's okay. Scott called just a minute ago, and he's at work, and he's down in the basement. Good Lord. Oh, my gosh. Wow. Jesse, maybe we should get away from the windows.
Yeah.
And now I hear quiet. So that's a good
hail.
thing or a bad thing. It could be the eye of the storm.
I hear hail though too.
What do you see?
The wind's definitely slowed down.
Wow.